Hi, this is Sean at EcoPanels of Tennessee, out here in Hermitage Springs, Tennessee. Now, one of the ways that we can actually get you to build your house incredibly fast is the organization just of the panels. So when you go to put those up and assemble them, they'll come very high tech. They'll have C is for corner, one's the very first one. Wall 2, W wall, corner 2, or panel 2, sorry. And then it just keeps moving on from there. This one's kind of our demonstration, so it's very small. So this leads into another corner, but corner number 3. So they're all going to be laid out on the bundle that way. So whenever you get to your job site and you're unloading everything, it's easy to find. Everything you're looking for is going to be easily identifiable. And that works for both things. That works for your wall panels. Corner panels are going to kind of be in their own bundle just because of the shape. We like to protect them. But the roof panels will all be kind of separated as well. And they're all going to be one after another. We're going to show you an example here in just a second. So as you can see, these are all going to be, these are all wall panels. But the way that we've got them bundled for a customer right now in the warehouse, W24, that's wall panel 24, 25, 26, 27, and so on. So the easiest way to put your house up quickly is going to be to use panels because we organize them. Job chaos is one of the things that'll set you back as quickly as possible. So we got you covered. If you have any questions, you can give us a call, you can shoot us a text, email, and we're happy to send you the free assembly manual if you have any questions further than that. So give us a call and we'll look forward to hearing from you.